Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by naming what makes you recheck and commit to one concrete first step. Set a single 10-minute checking window and place a visible anchor. Do this now. Write the trigger list, set a timer for 10 minutes, and put the anchor where you'll see it. This creates a boundary and reduces decision friction. Once done, remind yourself why. Fewer checks mean more focus and lower stress, and move directly to the next controlled attempt without renegotiating rules. You follow a strict two-step routine. First, a quick glance to confirm no major issues, then a focused 5 to 10-minute fix if needed. Make a short log entry after each check noting outcome and time so you can see patterns. Once you have consistent success for 3 days, increase the waiting gap by about 10 to 20%. This trains your tolerance and gives objective feedback. If anxiety spikes, pause and breathe, review the log, and continue. You finish by automating and rewarding. Batch notifications, schedule specific check times, and celebrate milestones like 1 day or 1 week without extra checks. Make automation do the work so temptation is lower. If you relapse, don't judge. Identify which trigger caused it, shorten the check window back to your starting point, and repeat the training for a few days. That troubleshooting step resets momentum and teaches you what to adjust to stay on track. Consistency matters more than perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.